Hi guys, in description box I've created the form where you can join our free GDPI workshop. So we are having a few session of GDPI for free, and for the next 24 hours anyone who registers, one of you will get a free giveaway as a leather folder. This I have already announced yesterday night that one of the winner will get the folder. Alright, so please register in the description box. Hi guys, I am Vishakhapatnam calls are out, so we have to look at the placement scenario, everything of the college, so that we can decide whether to go or not to go, whether to apply or not to apply, or in general how good is the college. Yep. So there are a couple of things which you need to understand. Number one, they are moving to this new campus, beautiful new campus in 2021. So most probably this batch will be going to the new campus, or maybe from the next batch they start a new campus. Number one. Number two, this time there is no VAT, there is no GD, only interview. Pure interview, online interview दो, admission लेके जाओ. Yeah, that's the second one, the most important thing we need to understand. Number three, you have to write a SOP. Yeah, you have to write a SOP for the college. So let's check out the details. Hi guys, I am Vishakhapatnam calls are out. So congratulations those who have got the call. But this is a phase 1 ka call. So what they've done, this is now a lot of IIMs are doing this year same thing. I'm Koi have done the same thing. I'm Rohtak kind of same thing. Here also similar thing. Phase 1 calls are out. So what they're going to do, anyone who have cleared this cutoff will get the call. Yeah, anyone who have cleared this cutoff, they've got an email in last 24 hours saying that you can apply now for this thing. So all candidates in the first short list, they cleared all these cutoffs. Yeah, are must apply for this thing. You have to apply by filling in the online form. Okay, online form में all shortlisted candidates have to submit their mark sheet, this, that, work experience certificate, EWS certificate. But my question is, ये चीज़ तुमने CAT के टाइम भी लिया था data. All these data they have taken, all academic transcripts and certificate. अच्छा नहीं, अभी ये भी करना है, including SOP. You have to upload a SOP. So we are launching this workshop. In the description box I given the link. You can to register for that, in which we are going to conduct the SOP workshop. And in case you join our program, we are also going to launch a pack where we are going to write your SOP. If you want expert to write your SOP, we can do that as well. Because अगर एक बार आपको SOP लिखना, same SOP you are going to use in every college. Okay, so SOP is one change. ठीक है, that is the phase 1. On the basis of that, they will give you a call to for phase 2. Yeah, phase 2 is for your main interview. There you have the weightage for the work experience. CAT weightage 40%, 10th 10%, 12% cut at 10%, degree 18% weightage, diversity, non-engineer, gender total 10%, and work experience 12%. So on this basis they are finally going to conduct you. And within this 40% weightage, quant is 10%, DILR is 16%, and verbal is 14% weightage. Okay. Now this is where you will get the call for the phase 1, and you have to apply online. And this is how the call will come. The call have come at morning 8 o'clock. So you have to apply by latest by 15th of March 21. And that is to get the call, phase 1. To convert the call, this is my expected cutoff. General category 92 to 94 percentile, you should get the call. OBC 82 to 85 percentile, you will get a call. Obviously, provided you clear the sectional cutoff which was mentioned there. SC 70, 72, ST and DAP. EWS cutoff will be around this number. Yeah, 85, 87, you can assume that number. OBC and EWS cutoff is approximately same. Now, obviously, EWS cutoff should be higher, but number of seats are less as compared to OBC. That's why the cutoff will be around OBC के equal. थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे होगा उसके. Looking at the batch profile, so 83% male to 17% female. On average, this is average in India 80 to 20, but for all the good colleges now the average is becoming 70-30. So they have to work a little bit more for that. No work experience, freshers 29%, 24 to 48 months of work experience 31%. Imagine that, yaar, 31 of the batch have more than 24 months of work experience. 0 to 24, 1 to 24, 37%. And more than 48%, 3%. So assuming 100 people, 3 students are there, more than 48 months of work experience, and 29% batch is freshers. तो those who not able to convert ना, वो फिर कोरा पे या वहाँ जाके डालते, देखा मेरे पास वर्कएक्स नहीं था तो मेरा नहीं हुआ कन्वर्ट, वो 29% बैच नो वर्कएक्स, मेरा ज़्यादा वर्कएक्स था इसके लिए कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ. ये देखो यार 31% बैच हैव गॉट मोर वर्कएक्स. So these are all excuses given by the student. Of course there are some pointer related, but वहाँ पे है ना, engineering 94% of the batch is engineers, 4% business administration, science 1%, arts 1%. Looking at the placement scenario where they have got placed, 8% batch have gone to consulting, 2% general management, 17% operations, 3% project management, 5% product management, finance 9%, strategy 9%, and sales and marketing 40%, analytics 7%. Alright, let's check out the placement report of Visakhapatnam to understand what kind of college it is. I always believe in placement report. That's the best way to understand anything in any college. Number of students eligible for the placement is 100. The intake कम है यार तो placement का problem आएगा ही नहीं. One of them opted out. 92 got final placement. 16 got a PPO. Total number of offers 108. Okay, 100% student got placed. 3 times increase the number of PPOs. 16 number of people got a PPO. 16% of the batch got a pre-placement offer. 9.4% increase in the salary. Okay, for new educator, median salary. Average salary is 13.08 lakhs. Top 50% of the batch have got 15.73 ka package. Top 25% 18.67 and highest is 27 lakhs. Now come the main question यार, average तो सिर्फ 13 है, main IIMS का average is 25, 26, इससे डबल. तो भाई निकाल के दिखाओ ना फिर मेन IIM, फिर जाना भी तो उसके लिए पड़ेगा ना. Those who have energy, please wait. Let's wait for one more year. Let's try to get to main IIM next year. Those who have do or die, boss, this is a very good opportunity for you. Yeah. Same way for those who are preparing for the exam next year. This should be the biggest motivation for you कि you have to target main IIM should be a main target, but backup के लिए this can be a good backup.